Please subscribe, and you can download this code from description below. In Python, you may encounter scenarios where you need to combine or merge two iterators, lists, tuples, or any iterable, into a single iterator. This can be achieved in various ways, depending on your specific requirements. In this tutorial, we'll explore 3 methods for merging two Python iterators. Let's dive into each of these methods with code examples. The itertools module provides the chain function, which allows you to merge multiple iterators into one. Output. You can also merge two iterators using a list comprehension. Output. A generator function allows you to create a custom iterator for merging two iterators efficiently. Output. These are 3 common methods to merge two Python iterators. Choose the one that best fits your specific needs, whether it's using the built-in itertools.chain function, a list comprehension, or a custom generator function. ChatGPT.